Don't you hate it when you jump in your Prius to go somewhere and it won't start? Maybe you hit the start button and it just makes a little humming noise like it doesn't quite have enough power. Maybe the dome lights are pretty dim. Maybe it just won't do anything at all. If this is the case, you may have a weak or dead 12-volt auxiliary battery. In this video, I'm going to show you how I jumpstart my second generation Prius. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll know when I upload future videos. Hi, it's Dave. Welcome back to my channel. When my Prius won't start, I follow these steps to get my car back on the road. Someone may have told you that you can't jumpstart a Prius or that it's too technical, but that's nonsense. It's pretty easy to jumpstart a Prius and anyone can do it. All you need are some jumper cables and a working car. Let's get started. You can get jumper cables at your local auto parts store or at a host of other retailers. You can also get them online at Amazon. I'll include a link down below. I recommend that you get good quality heavy-duty jumper cables. First, make sure both cars are turned off and parked close enough together for the jumper cables to reach both cars. Open the hoods of both cars. To open the hood of the Prius, first pull the hood release latch down here. Then reach underneath the hood and lift up on the little piece of metal right here. Lift up the hood. Pull the support bar down and insert it here. On the second generation Prius, the 12-volt battery is actually underneath the trunk, but we can access a terminal for jump-starting the car inside the fuse box. Simply push in gently on the wall of the fuse box and lift up gently on these tabs, and you can remove the fuse box cover. The terminal we're looking for is right here. Simply undo that little detent and flip it over. That's the terminal, and it's connected directly to the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery. Next, take your positive or red clamp of the jumper cables at your Prius and attach it securely to that jump-starting terminal. Next, go to your working car. Take your red or positive clamp and attach it to the positive battery terminal. Then take your black or negative clamp and attach it to the negative battery terminal. Make sure both are connected securely. Next, return to the Prius and attach the black negative clamp to a good solid piece of unpainted metal that's away from moving parts and away from the jump start terminal where you connected the positive clamp. That'll work right there. You could also connect it over here, but I think this will work just fine. Next, go to your working car and start the engine. Once it's running, rev the engine gently to get the engine speed up and keep it there for about 5 minutes. This is going to give your Prius enough electricity to start. While maintaining engine speed in the other car, return to the Prius and start it up. Wait for the ready light to come on. Right there. If the ready light does not come on, wait a few minutes and try again. Once the Prius is running, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order you put them on. First, remove the black cable on the Prius from the ground. Then the black from the working car. Then the red from the working car. Then return to the Prius and remove the red from the Prius. While I'm putting everything back, I always let the Prius run for at least 15 minutes so I don't run out of juice again. If you have a jump starter like this one, you can use it in exactly the same way. You connect the red clamp to your jump starter terminal. You connect the black clamp to your ground. You turn it on and you let the Prius charge for 5 minutes before starting it. That's about all there is to how I jumpstart my Prius. Thanks a lot for watching. Best of luck if you need to jumpstart your Prius. See you next time.